Zaharau Dallami and Abdulsar Aminu are the participants of the 8-week entrepreneurship training for 70 young entrepreneurs organized by Center for Information Technology and Development (CITAD) with support from the British Council.
I am also facing a major problem in terms of capital, and because of lack of capital, it is limiting me in my business. Right now, they have taught us ways to sort for capital, and they've also taught us the use of a lot of computer softwares that will help ease our business, which we did not know before.
The challenge I face actually is some lack of experience and, let's say, lack of marketing strategy. But with the help of the CITAD and the training we get, I was able to improve in my business.
The program was organized with a view to prepare participants for the next stage of entrepreneurship.
The essence is to not actually pass them out, as I said in my welcome remark, but rather to prepare them into getting to the next stage of the entrepreneurship scheme. They have been carried through so many series of trainings, and of course they have finally come with some pitches, which these pitches are meant to actually bring out the initiatives they have learned in relation to our ICT programs, which at the end of the day, judges will come out with the best winners among them. And of course, CITAD, with this support of British Council, is going to give them some token amount to actually kickstart their own personal businesses.
Earlier on, the two organizations supported CITAD to train 60 young people in Kano in the same component and the same concept of project, while in this area we are graduating 74 young people. They decided to support 70, but to make sure that we meet the target and probably to have a miscellaneous plan on ground, we decided to increase the number to make it 75. So we are graduating 74 today because one that have dropped out for some health ground. So this is an avenue for them to face their ideas.
8 participants out of the 70 have received 250,000 naira each as grant to support their ventures. Muhammad Adamu, AIT News, Kano.